morning to you all. Myself Shreyasana of class 7th F, and today I am going to show you how to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. So what I have here is 2 cups of water, and firstly I am going to use the turmeric indicator, and then we will use the pH paper. So I have got some turmeric here. Now firstly let me mix turmeric in the water to form a solution. Now let us mix turmeric completely in water. Now we have the solution of turmeric, and now let us use surf or detergent. Now detergent, as we all know, is base, and I will be using the citric acid. I have 2 bases here, detergent and baking soda, and I have an acid here which is citric acid. So now let's use, in this case, in this first experiment, let us use detergent and citric acid. So now let me first put a pinch of detergent in the first cup. Let us see what is the color. Now let us mix it. Oh wow, can you see this color change? The detergent changed the color of turmeric from yellow to reddish brown. Now let us do the same with the citric acid. So here I am going to use the dropper carefully. Yeah. And now let me put some drops of citric acid here. You can see I've put a lot of citric acid, but there is no color change. As you can see, no color change in turmeric. Have you seen that when I dissolve the turmeric in the water, it doesn't show any color change? So you can say or conclude that turmeric changes its color to reddish brown when mixed with the base, and it remains same or shows no change in color when it is put in acidic thing or a neutral substance. Now let me keep this aside, and now let us do this experiment, the second experiment, in which I am going to use the pH paper. So carefully, I have, in 1 cup I have the citric acid, and in the other I have baking soda. Now let me take the pH paper here, and let me use tweezers. Now let me put first pH paper here, and let me put it in the baking soda. Now observe it carefully. Can you see this? It turns green in color from yellow. Now actually pH paper, so what do you mean by pH? Do you know? pH is actually the measure of a substance, whether it is acidic or basic. That means that 1 pH shows you that it is a very strong acid, but the 14 pH is going to show you that it is a very strong base. Now let me use the second pH paper in the acid, citric acid, to be specific. Can you see the color change? I can also help you to compare with the yellow one. Can you see? It turns red in color. So now you see the difference. pH paper, when it is dipped in acid, it turns red. and when it is dipped in base, it turns green. So that's how we can test whether a substance is acidic or basic with the visual indicators. So visual indicators means the indicators which show the change in color and all. So as you can see, the pH paper changed its color, and here turmeric also changed its color when it is put in the base. So as you can see, dark red here, and here we have the pH paper. Thank you.